Hi there, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about an essential aspect of search engine optimization, and that is building high-quality backlinks to your website. Now, as you may know, backlinks are crucial for improving your website's search engine rankings, and that's why it's important to build them strategically and with a high level of quality. That's where I come in. I will build SEO backlinks with high-quality contextual link building. What is contextual link building, you may ask? Well, it's the process of acquiring backlinks by creating high-quality content that includes natural, relevant links to your website. These links are embedded within the content of a web page, making them highly valuable and authoritative. By building contextual backlinks, you'll not only improve your website's search engine rankings, but you'll also drive more organic traffic to your website, which can result in increased sales and revenue. So, if you're interested in boosting your website's search engine rankings and driving more traffic to your site, be sure to check out the service link in the video description. Make sure to check the service delivery time, service rating, order progress, and service reviews to ensure you're making an informed purchase. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video informative. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more SEO tips and tricks. See you in the next one.